The Gen 3 SMB is a single-stage captured drop-in replacement for your standard buffer and spring. The SMB is designed to keep the buffer spring from rubbing against the inner wall of the buffer tube, providing a smooth and quiet operation. The SMB features interchangeable weights that easily swap by drifting out a pin, removing the spring, and reinserting a new weight and reinstalling the pin and bumper. All weights are compatible with the AR15 system, excluding the AR9 version, due to its larger bumper. The installation is seamless and can be used with or without the buffer retaining pin.
We hope this video was informative for you guys. Visit the website, pick up one of these SMBs for yourself. In the meantime, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.